Hello everyone and welcome to Data Dissection. This is Kabir here. So I have brought you a complete roadmap for data science in 2024. This is going to be the best ever. So anything that I'm telling you here or sharing with you is completely genuine, as I'm also doing the same thing. So you could blindly trust in this. So without a delay, let's discuss what we need to cover on what topics. So first we will talk about the components of data science. Like there are mainly 5 components of data science, which is statistics and probability, and number 2 Python, of course, and 3 is SQL, which is a database, and then ML and DL, which is machine learning and deep learning. So these are the primary main components. We will talk about more deeper in each and every topic. So first, let's see what we need to cover under statistics. So primarily, there are 2 types of statistics, which is descriptive and inferential. And under the descriptive statistics, we will learn the measure of central tendency, which is mean, median, and mode, and measure of dispersion like variance and standard deviation, and skewness and quartiles and percentiles, of course, and in this section. And when it comes to inferential, we will see the testings, hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, p-values, and it also includes the probability concept, which is what are normal distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, and Bayes theorem, of course. So these are the topics we will explore later in the channel. So because this much is required for your base of statistics for data science. Now if we talk about like the second thing, which is Python. So what we need to learn under Python, so let me tell you. So under Python, which is required for the programming section of the data, so we will see you need to learn what are variables, data types, and operators, of course, and what are statements like control flow, which also called like if statements, loops, which is the repetition, and then also the function and modules. And here's the most important things that whenever you're doing the data kind of work, you're required to use libraries. And for this kind of work, we will see there are some famous libraries, which are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and scikit-learn, of course. So we will see NumPy first, and in which we will see numerical operators, array handling, and then we will move into Pandas, and then Matplotlib, and Seaborn is optional here. If you want to, we will learn, like we will have a basic understanding of Seaborn. We will not go much deeper, but we will see 4 of these things more importantly, and this much is required in the programming Python sections. And now let's talk about the SQL. So you need to have a basic understanding of SQL syntax, selecting from where. These are the basic syntax. You need to learn the use of them, and the database basic, like understanding what a database is and the different types like relational databases and more. And data retrieval also, like writing simple select statements to retrieve data from a single data, filtering data, sorting data, and we will see in later like much deeper. I'm just giving you the brief introduction of these topics. And moving to machine learning. Here it comes the most important topics of data science, like machine learning. So before we will start for the machine learning, we will see some basic mathematics behind it, which is like what is linear algebra, calculus, optimization. We will not cover all the topics under these topics. Like we will, and just for example, under linear algebra we will see vectors and matrices, and under calculus we will see derivatives and integrals, like this. Like how much the important, if we will cover all the topics, that is not possible, and we are not even required to learn that. So I hope you're getting it. So after that we will see the underworkings of like main things that comes by we will see like what is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and clustering algorithms, and regression and classification algorithms. So these are the main concept of machine learning. I hope you got it, what I'm trying to tell you. Now the last topic remains, which is the DL, which is the deep learning. So now in deep learning, we will see we will understand the basic structure of deep learning, like what are the basic function of neural networks, activation functions like weights and biases, and some deep learning frameworks. As a beginner, we will see like what are the use of TensorFlow, PyTorch experience, and we will see how to build neural network and train neural networks and evaluate them also. And so that's all is required as a beginner. And now we will this is the complete thing that you're required to learn as a data science. Under each topic, I've told you everything that is required, so you can just simply follow my steps. So soon I will bring videos on them, on each topic, and we will talk about much deeper. We will dive into them. So I hope you liked the video, and just if you have liked the video, just comment it down. If you have any query, you can just simply comment it down and I will respond if possible. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.